it's me, Kai. Back it up again with another video. Kung bago ka lang sa channel na to, please don't forget to like, subscribe, click notification bell para lagi kang updated. For today's video, I will show you how to remove your Google account on your Android phone. So, ayun, punta lang tayo kay settings. And then, on the search box, just search for accounts. Ayan, type lang natin, accounts. And then after that, just click users and accounts. And then click on Google. And then after that, lalabas na yung Gmail natin. Pili lang tayo kung anong Gmail account yung gusto natin remove. Just click on your Gmail account. And then remove. Again, click remove. And that's it. Congratulations, we're done. Ayun, ganun lang kadali guys. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Sana nakatulong sa iyo ang video na to. Thank you for watching.